Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare veg fried rice. Chalo, let's get started. Firstly, let's take chopped tomatoes, beans, capsicum, onion, carrot. Switch on stove, place kadai, pour up to 3 tablespoons oil. Let's add mustard seeds, little bit hing, chana dal and urad dal, chopped chilies, chopped onions, carrot, beans, and give it a good mix. Now let's add chopped tomatoes and mix well. Add salt as per taste. Add ginger garlic paste and mix well. Now let's add chili powder 2 tablespoons, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon seasoning powder. This is totally optional. Now let's add chili sauce, tomato sauce, soya sauce and give it a good mix. Fry until it softens. Once it's softened, let's add cooked rice and give it a good mix. That's it. Tasty veg fried rice is ready. Now let's prepare raita. Firstly, let's take curd, add some chopped onions, salt as per taste, some tadka, give it a good mix. That's it. Raita is ready. Now let's serve hot veg fried rice with raita. You can also have veg fried rice with tomato sauce. Veg fried rice is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.